So, I make Stacy say action, but I'm not gonna ask you to do that. So I'm over at a friend of mine, a very good friend. We've been friends. How long have we been friends? 30 years?
Yeah.
Been 30 years, you know that?
God, I'm fucking old.
And Erin's, he's been working on the Buick, and come over here and let's show him what we. Well, I told him the other day I'll come over and help you out because he's got a full-time upholstery shop, builds pro touring cars, all that stuff. So he does this stuff for me because I lean on that 30-year friendship. And it's a cool car. And Erin likes building cool cars.
Mm-hmm.
So he's got the motor set down there. Got to move it around a little bit so we can finish the mounts up. The way I had the turbos on the engine stand, Erin said, man, I think if we flip them around, we can get them over to the side. So as you can see, we flipped them around. But today was UMI day, UMI and Quick Performance day. So Erin had already done the control arms. He'd already put the control arms and stuff on it, which I got. UMI sent me everything to this car. So I told them I wanted all their stuff. So that's the stuff. We still got the braces, the underneath brace, rear sway bar, front sway bar. And I am gonna put the sway bars because the whole idea behind this car, you can come back up here. The whole idea behind this car is to be able to race it, and then if I wanted to, go to a road course with it, which we aren't going to do. So I put the Turbo 350 and the gear benders out of the Nova in it because I wanted to be able to have that extra low gear. So we got, Erin already had the front suspension, I did the coilovers, then we put the rear end in it. They Quick Performance. My Turbo T is a really nice car. This car, you know, it's from Chicago. Tony O used to own this car. So it's got some rights. So I told Erin, hell, we ain't got to make it nice. We want to make it fast. We only got 6 cylinders to run with. So we're scheming on everything we can take weight out of this car. Quick Performance set the rear end. We put the adjustable UMI control arms on it. Got double adjustable coilovers all the way around from Viking. I like this strut brace right here because honestly, I was sitting there looking at that thinking, man, that's gonna have deflection right here. And evidently that's what they addressed with that. And we still got some other stuff to put in it. But there's a lot of these Buick tricks that we got to bone ourselves up on, like taking the tunnel out. We're just looking to see all the places we could take weight. So any of you guys that's done a G-body or any of you manufacturers out there that do these G-bodies, you got lightweight stuff, hit me up on the page and let's look at it. I don't want to go down a rabbit hole with this car. And that's the important thing. That's all the shit we took out of it, or I took out of it today. Which, get ready, Stacy will be having that shit up for sale here really quick. Like tomorrow probably. So, I think you and my shit red powder coated is sexy though.
It stands out.
I noticed there's a couple places that make a tubular radiator support for this. I know that, I mean, it's already got the lightweight bumper brackets and that stuff. But that's the thing, I'm gonna keep it a V6. It don't have very big turbos on it, so we're gonna try to get this thing really fucking light. Not losing the power windows, not putting the race seats in it. We're just gonna try all the little things that don't take away from it being a car, because I'm gonna drive this thing. That's the first thing Kelly asked me. He goes, you gonna drive it? I said, yeah, I want to be able to get in it and drive it out here to fucking Arizona if that's what I want to do. So the plan is to drive it and have fun with it. So until, I guess till next Saturday or whenever you want to do this again, whenever you decide to, we'll knock it. I'll come back over. You see, we got parts. We just got to start installing them.
Mm-hmm. We got plenty.
There's 50 pounds of fucking wiring in this car.
Guaranteed.
They wired that shit, dude. There's a fucking massive wads of wire. See the battery cables? Hell, look at the battery cables I took out.
Welding leads.
Yeah. You break somebody's fucking head, or split their wig wide open and fucking swung that shit out of them. Hell, I don't know. I don't know if Tony was trying to start the car or was trying to fucking weld something with it. There's a whole bunch of shit fixing to be for sale to you fellers. So, I'm tired. We've been going at this all day. But, like I said, it's cool part about it is Quick Performance set that rear end, bolted right in. All the UMI stuff you bolted in is bolted right in, hadn't it?
It's been flawless.
Yeah.
Absolutely no complaints.
Great people and great product, and we're just gonna keep bolting shit on this car. That way, maybe in the next couple of weeks, I can drive it. Erin's back there shaking his head yes, going, fuck you. A couple weeks, my ass. All right, guys, I'm going home. I'm out.